everyone, my name is Catherine. Today's topic is me who does not know that everything is my fault. Over the years, through my work, family, and daily life, I built up a heavy mind, full of stress, worry, and anxiety. I used to think my stress and heaviness came from other people or the situation around me. But through meditation, I began to see things more clearly. It was not outside, it was just how I saw things and the world. It was my own mind always judging everything from my perspective. And ultimately, that made me unhappy. Through this meditation, I could realize this and truly let that mind go. And finally, I felt liberated. Now I don't feel trapped by stress anymore. I feel lighter and more peaceful. So I am truly grateful for this meditation. Thank you.